In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on AliExpress 2025 step by step. We're keeping this simple, practical, and beginner friendly, so you can start right away with a clear plan. First, focus on finding profitable products. You want items that are cheap to buy, so your risk is low, lightweight, so shipping stays affordable, and in obvious demand, so they move fast. Avoid anything branded or fake to steer clear of legal and policy issues. Reliable categories to explore include phone accessories, beauty tools, home and kitchen gadgets, and pet products. As you browse, check the order volume and ratings, read recent reviews with photos, and make sure the listing has clear images and consistent variations. Look at shipping options and estimated delivery windows for your main countries. If you're unsure, message the seller to confirm packaging and stock. Next, set your selling price with a simple formula. Selling price equals product cost plus shipping plus profit. For example, if a product costs $5 and shipping is $2, listing it at $15 to $20 leaves room for marketing and a healthy margin. You can round to a clean number that looks good on a marketplace. If the platform charges fees, account for them within your profit line so you still hit your target. The goal is a price that feels fair to a buyer while giving you enough margin to scale. Now choose where to sell. Great starting points are Facebook Marketplace, relevant Facebook groups, Instagram, TikTok Shop, if it's available in your region, and direct messages via WhatsApp or Messenger. Use clear photos or short demo videos from the supplier, highlight the key benefit in the first line, and invite people to message you. Be upfront about delivery times of 7 to 20 days. This honesty builds trust and reduces cancellations. Respond quickly, confirm the color or size before taking payment, and keep your messages friendly and simple. After you get paid, place the order on AliExpress. Enter your customer's address as the shipping address, and leave a note to the seller asking them not to include invoices or promotional materials. Double check the variant to match what the buyer chose. As soon as a tracking number is available, send it to your customer and show them how to track it. If shipping slows, give a quick update before they need to ask. Your profit per item might be small, but it's scalable. List multiple products, repeat the process, and let consistent sales compound over time.